Remove sweat odor. Sweat is a toxic substance with an unpleasant odor that mixes with bacteria that appear in humid places and comes out of the skin of the body as a result of the opening of the skin pores, and causes a person to lack confidence and embarrassment. And sweat plays an important role in regulating the internal body temperature. And sweat appears in abundance during exercise and great effort. And the body's sweating rate increases in the summer and when exposed to high temperatures. As sweat works to cool the body and reduce its excess temperature. And there are other factors that lead to sweating, such as psychological disorders, such as stress, extreme fear, shyness, and eating some spicy foods that contain a lot of spices. And there are natural solutions that help get rid of the smell of sweat, which are safe and effective natural recipes. And following advice to reduce the appearance of sweat. And we will talk about them in this article. Recipes to remove the smell of sweat. There are many safe natural recipes that help get rid of the annoying smell of sweat effectively and with simple household materials, including the following. Tomato juice. Tomato juice contains a high percentage of antioxidants that work to balance sweat production. Tomatoes are an astringent that works to reduce the size of pores and get rid of the smell of sweat. The components: some fresh tomato juice. Preparation method: apply tomato juice on the armpit skin. Leave the tomato juice for 10 minutes. Wash the skin with water. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has astringent properties that help reduce the appearance of sweat and balance the pH of the skin. The components: some apple cider vinegar. Preparation method: apply apple cider vinegar to the armpit skin. Leave on skin overnight. Baking soda. Baking soda helps to get rid of the smell of sweat effectively. And baking soda is considered a natural deodorant for the skin. The components: 1 teaspoon baking soda, some water, a drop of essential oil. Preparation method: mix baking soda, water and essential oil well to get a smooth paste. Apply the paste on the sweaty skin areas. Lavender oil. Baking soda and starch. Lavender oil reduces the growth of bacteria that cause body odor and is a natural deodorant, while cornstarch and baking soda help dry sweaty areas and get rid of bacteria that cause bad body odor. The components: 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons baking soda. Preparation method: mix lavender oil with cornstarch and baking soda well. Store the mixture in a dark place for several days. Apply the mixture to sweaty areas of the skin. Repeat daily. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has antibacterial properties that prevent sweating and is a natural deodorant. Coconut oil is an effective antibacterial that eliminates bacteria that cause bad odor. Cornstarch and baking soda help dry the skin and protect it from sweating. The components: 10 drops of peppermint oil, some water, 4 tablespoons of coconut or jojoba oil, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Preparation method: mix peppermint oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, cornstarch, and baking soda well. Place the mixture in the refrigerator. The cooled mixture is applied as a natural deodorant on sweaty skin. Repeat daily. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a natural deodorant because it contains antibacterial properties that work to eliminate the bacteria that cause body odor and dry the sweaty area. The components: some cornstarch powder, Preparation method. Cornstarch is applied to sweaty areas such as the armpits. Leave the cornstarch on the skin all day. Repeat daily as a natural alternative to deodorant. Neem leaves. Neem leaves have antifungal, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties that help eliminate the bacteria that cause body odor and detoxify the body. The components: a handful of neem leaves, a cup of water. Preparation method. Crush the neem leaves to get a smooth paste. Apply the paste on the sweaty areas of the skin. Leave the paste on the skin until it dries completely. Wash the skin with lukewarm water. Repeat every day. Black tea. This recipe works as a natural antiperspirant because black tea contains tannic acid. And it also works to get rid of the bacteria that cause bad odor. The method is: the components: 2 black tea medallions, 4 cups of water. Preparation method. Prepare the tea with water and leave aside to cool. Apply the tea to areas prone to sweating. Lemonade. This recipe is useful for balancing the pH level of the skin and preventing bacteria from multiplying. The method is: preparation method. Apply lemon juice diluted with a little water under the armpit area and leave it until it dries. Rose water. This recipe works to reduce sweating. And its method is: the components: 3 tablespoons of rose water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Preparation method. Mix the ingredients together to obtain a mixture. Store the mixture in a spray bottle and spray it under the armpits. Repeat this recipe daily. Tips to reduce body odor. There are some tips that must be followed to get rid of the appearance of sweat, including the following: maintaining personal hygiene constantly. The body needs to be clean constantly, especially when exercising and when the weather is very hot. Use high-quality deodorants. There are some deodorants of poor quality that clog the skin pores, so you should choose good deodorants. Wear cotton clothes in the summer. Cotton fabrics absorb sweat and protect the skin from bad odor. Wearing loose, wide clothing that allows sweat to escape naturally. Loose clothing helps a large amount of air enter the body, while tight clothing causes great harm to the body as it traps sweat, blocks skin pores, and prevents air from reaching areas of the body. Eat a healthy diet. Eat healthy foods that contain vitamins and minerals, such as vegetables and fruits. Drink plenty of water and fresh, cold natural juices. Water and natural juices help cool the body, make it feel comfortable, and reduce the body's sweat secretion.